Hey guys, today we're going to make Persian kebab and you are going to love this, so stay tuned. Hi all, welcome to Nancy's Love Kitchen. My name is Nancy and we are going to make Persian kebabs today. Today is my first video on YouTube, so bear with me as we're going to go on this journey together as I make amazing dishes from around the world. But today is going to be kebabs, one of the most famous dishes of Iran and around the world. It's one of my favorite dishes and hopefully it will be yours too. We're going to make it with a side of white rice and some tomatoes that goes along with it. So let's get started. And if you have any comments or questions, just ask. All right, guys, so I have the ground lamb here. I actually mixed in the grated onions in it. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Just use whatever your preference is with salt and pepper. We're gonna get in here and mix it all up together. And when I said it was easy ingredients, I was not kidding, guys. This is literally 4 ingredients: salt, pepper, and of course the main ingredient is the ground lamb. And again, if you like, you can use ground beef and grated onions. So that's it. It's all mixing together. Let me show you what it's going to look like close up. Looks beautiful. All right, so now we're going to go to the stove and we're going to get started on cooking it. Hey guys, so here we are at the stove. I already made some patties. You don't actually need to use oil because the lamb already has a lot of fat in it. So this one is an 80% to 20% ratio. So I didn't put any grease in here because it will just, the fat will come out and it'll help it cook on its own. So here you are. If you want to come close and look to see what they look like. Just gonna fry them a little bit on each side. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit more to give it a little crisp on top. So we're frying this, but you don't want to fry it too much because you don't want to overcook it. If you overcook it, it will get a little dry and you don't want that because you want that juice and all the fat in there. I'm turning them again. Look at, again, come close. Look, it's nice and crispy on top and it's going to be very nice and soft in the middle. That's why we turn up the heat a little bit as we have the patties in here. All right, guys, and here are the tomatoes I was talking about. We normally grill the tomatoes, but right now, since we're cooking this inside on the stove, I'm just gonna do it in the pan, add a little bit of olive oil, throw in the tomatoes. Let's do some salt and pepper. And turn down the heat, otherwise it's going to splash everywhere. We're going to let this grill a little bit on the stove and then I'm going to show you the final results. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Here are the final results. We have the kebab, we have the tomatoes, I have Persian rice here, I have basil for you guys. If you don't like basil, you don't have to use basil. Normally we also use yogurt with this dish or salad, which we can do that in another video, show you guys how to make a Persian salad. And I will also show you guys in another video how to make this Persian rice. This is called tahdig. It's a crispy part of the rice. It's very popular and everyone loves it. But anyway, I can't wait to try this. I can't wait for you guys to try this dish at home. If you have any questions about the ingredients, please leave a comment for me. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button for the future videos that I will be posting. Thanks, guys. Mwah.